All right, so we're in the lab today, and we're going to be replacing the Sany speakers from before in the excavator with this more marine grade style. This is a plastic and neoprene style speaker, which should do a little bit better. It's relatively the same specs. The ohms is different, but the new stereo will drive a 4-ohm speaker, so that shouldn't be an issue. What I have to do is I'm going to take the wiring harness off of the existing speaker and apply it to this one, and then take those down to the excavator and install. So stay tuned. Okay, we're kind of firing up our heat gun here. Basically, I've got these wires soldered on. This is the original Sany connector. I'm going to push heat shrink back down over those and use the air gun, shrink this on, and we're going to basically make these connect exactly the way that they were connected on the Sanys. Okay, we've got basically these heat shrink back on, soldered exactly the way these were. They were coming out in a little bit different direction, but I think that's going to be okay. And we'll take these down to the excavator and get them installed. All right, so we've got audio. I've just got to turn to some static here. I don't want to violate any YouTube copyrights, but we've got static playing out of both speakers. I'm going to get them remounted up here, and we should be good. Basically factory fit, use the same wiring harness. Okay, so I don't have it all the way screwed down, but as you can see, it's direct fit, fits up flush. All the screw holes line up perfectly. No modifications to the tractor. We'll tighten these down and do the other side. And we'll replace the plastic liner, and we should be good. Okay, so now we've got sound. We got a radio. The new radio was installed before. That runs up to the regular wiring harness, up to the new speakers. Oops, dropped the screwdriver. And these are really tough to get in and out, especially reusing. I did the best I could. But just be real careful with these. You really need to unscrew them all the way out. Get them loosened up to where you can get them screwed in. They're basically kind of like a push rivet, but they've got a Phillips head threaded part that goes up, but it held this up really tight. No interference with the speaker. Pretty much stock fit and finish. It is a little bit louder. There's probably more distortion in the lower ends. I need to go into the radio and see if I can kind of tune down the bass a little bit, but it's definitely louder than it was before. Anyway, we've got tunes back in the Sany now. I hope this helps some folks out. We'll see you on the next one.